Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the classification of phenols. That is, the types of phenols. The first one is monohydric phenols. There will be only one OH group. And the second one is dihydric phenols. There, two OH group will be there. And the third one is trihydric phenol. It has three OH group. And the fourth one, that is the last one, is substituted phenols. Now let's discuss about monohydric phenols. That is, only one OH group will be there. The first one is phenol. The common name and IUPAC name of this compound is phenol. And the second one is, this is called cresol. In toluene, if OH group is attached, it is called cresol. Or else to the phenol, CH3 group will be attached, that is known as cresol. Here, this is attached to the ortho position. And this is meta and this is para. Here the CH3 is attached to the ortho position, so it is called as orthocresol. And this is attached to the meta position, so it is called as metacresol. And the last one is attached to the para position, so it is called as paracresol. These all are common names. Now let's write the IUPAC name for this compound. The IUPAC name for this compound is phenol, and the IUPAC name for this compound is, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6th position. Here to the second position methyl group is attached. So 2-methyl phenol. 2-methyl phenol. And here this is the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. To the third carbon methyl group is attached. So 3-methyl phenol. And the last one is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, and this is fourth carbon. Here to the fourth carbon methyl group is attached. So 4-methyl phenol is the IUPAC name for the paracresol. Let's study about dihydric phenols. Dihydric phenol, the name itself says that there will be two OH group. Okay, the first one, the common name for the first one is catechol. If two OH group is attached to the benzene ring in its ortho position, that is in the next position, it is called as catechol. Now here 2 OH group is attached to the meta position, so it is called as resorcinol. And 2 OH groups are attached to its para position, it is called as quinol. Come on, the first one is catechol, the second one is resorcinol, and the third one is quinol. Now let's give the IUPAC name for this compound. The IUPAC name for this compound is, this is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon and sixth carbon. So the two OH groups are attached to the first carbon and second carbon. So 1,2 dihydroxy. 1,2 dihydroxy benzene. Here first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. So 1,3 dihydroxy benzene is the IUPAC name for resorcinol. For quinol, 1, 2, 3, 4th position. So the OH groups are attached in the first and fourth position. So 1,4 dihydroxy benzene is the IUPAC name for quinol. So the IUPAC name for catechol is 1,2 dihydroxy benzene, and the IUPAC name for resorcinol is 1,3 dihydroxy benzene, and for quinol is 1,4 dihydroxy benzene. Trihydric phenol. 3 OH group will be attached to the benzene ring. Here the first one, the common name for the first compound is phyrogallol. The common name for the first compound is phyrogallol. And the common name for the second carbon. Here 2 OH groups are attached to the next carbon, and the one is attached here in the para position. So the common name for this compound is hydroxyquinol. hydroxy quinol. In the dihydric phenol, we learnt about quinol. To this quinol, one more hydroxy group is attached here. So it is named as hydroxy quinol. The third one is phloroglucinol. The third one is phloroglucinol. Okay. Come on, let's give the IUPAC name for these compounds. The first one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the OH groups are attached in first carbon, second carbon and third carbon. So 1, 2, 3. 3 OH groups are attached. So trihydroxy benzene. 1, 2, 3 trihydroxy benzene is the IUPAC name for phyrogallol. The hydroxyquinol. The next one is hydroxyquinol. The OH group is attached in the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon there is no OH group, and fourth carbon the OH group is attached. So 1, 2, 4 trihydroxy benzene is the IUPAC name for hydroxyquinol. Finally, phloroglucinol. First carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon and sixth carbon is here. The OH groups are attached to the first carbon, third carbon and fifth carbon. So 1, 3, 5 trihydroxy benzene is the IUPAC name for phloroglucinol. So the first one is phloroglucinol and the IUPAC name for the first one is phyrogallol. The IUPAC name for phyrogallol is 1, 2, 3 trihydroxy benzene. The second one is hydroxyquinol. The IUPAC name for hydroxyquinol is 1, 2, 4 trihydroxy benzene. And the finally phloroglucinol. The IUPAC name for this compound is 1, 3, 5 trihydroxy benzene. Finally, we are going to learn about substituted phenol. The first one here is ortho-amino phenol. Ortho-amino phenol. Okay, the second one is the common name for the second one is salicylaldehyde. Salicylaldehyde. Okay, there is another name also. To this carbonyl group, this hydroxy is attached in ortho position. So ortho-hydroxy benzaldehyde. And the next one is to this COOH group. This OH is attached in para position. So para hydroxy benzoic acid. Para hydroxy benzoic acid. And the last one is arsenol. The last one is arsenol. And the other name for this compound is to this CH3. Okay, this OH groups are attached in meta positions. So this is number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the OH groups are attached in third and fifth position. So 3, 5 dihydroxy toluene is the other name for arsenol. Thank you.